And this is gonna be the new challenge for today. So that's gonna be the kitchen area. That's the laundry, the bathroom. And that's gonna be the dining living room area. That's the entrance. And that's gonna be a bedroom. Master bedroom. And a closet down the stairs. And that's gonna be the second floor. It's gonna be a 3 bedroom second floor. So that's gonna be one bedroom. That's the second bedroom. And that's gonna be the one more bedroom. All of them have its own closet, and it's gonna be a bathroom.